So hey, what's up guys, it's a boy Crazy TTP. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create your own CLI tool using the Python and the Argparse module. So what the command line tool is, let me show it to you. Let me open up this CMD, and if I were to type this ther and press enter, this is the Windows CLI tool which prints the files and the directories in a specified directory or the current working directory. So this is the CLI tool that we are going to print, but this is not exactly what we are going to do. I'm going to create a CLI tool that will print some text like hello world or whatever that you want to print out in the screen or in this terminal. So in order to get started, we just need to import the Argparse module, then press enter. We need to import this Argparse module, then create this parser instance or the object, then argparse dot. So you will need to type whatever I'm typing over here. Oh, not epilogue. Let me start with the prog is equals to name of the pro. So this is going to be the name of the program here, so you will understand it much better later. Then enter in this. Okay, this is going to be let me create these triple single quotes over here. You can even use a triple double quote, so let me use these triple single quotes. It's up to you. Then after the program description, then let me put this epilogue, which is going to be our copyright. See, so you will understand this much better later. Then after this parser, I think we're done. What I need to do is, let me add some arguments. Parser dot add argument. So I am going to add one argument here. Okay, let me say -p, then -prt. Then we are going to give this argument a default string. So let me say the default is equals to, let me say default to be set to default, then comma, then we say help. This is the help of this. Let me set of this add argument. So okay, I'm done creating this argument over here. So what I need to do now is I need to pass these arguments. Okay, let me say args dot parser dot pass args method. Then after that, what I need to do is, so after I've imported this argparse and create this parser and edit this argument, then pass these arguments. So what I need to do now is, let me create a program itself that will display the message in the terminal or the command prompt. So let me say if args.prt not equals to default, what do I want to do? So if this should be in a string actually. Okay, so if args.prt is not equals to this default, what I need to do is I wanna print this args.prt plus has been printed. 1 2 3. Then else, what I want to do is I want to print this args.prt. Then let me say default again. So what I'm saying here essentially is if args.prt is not equal to this default, then I want to print that argument, then say has been printed. Else I want to say that default is equal to default. So to run the script, I need to open this command prompt, then go to the directory where the script is. In case of me, I'm going to go to the desktop, then type in Python, then the name of the script, then let me say -h for the help. So this usage, as you can see, the name of the program here, it is this prog over there, then -h for this help, then -p for this argument. Then this is going to be our description. Then the optional arguments are the -h and -p. Then this will be the help. So what does this help say? It says this is the help of this add argument, and it says this is the help of this argument. Then this epilogue here, it is copyright C 2020 crazy TTP. Then that's it. If I'll try to not pass anything, it will say default. You see, if this argument is not default, it will say default, which is this default over here, then this default. Then if I say Python, then the script, then the -p, then let me say this, then press enter, it is going to say this has been printed. Then the other way is I can say is -prt, then it will do the same thing, which is this -p then -prt are the same things. So this has been printed. So yeah, this was the video, guys. If this video helped you, please like, comment, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. But before I go, if you would like me to make these kind of videos again for you guys where we build our CLI tools, please leave a comment down below in the comment section below. Yeah, below. Okay, yeah. Peace.